Today we decided to take a ferry to the beautiful island of Cozumel. Okay, so today we're going to go to Cozumel, Mexico. It's an island right off the coast, right across from Playa del Carmen. We're taking another ferry. And if you look around, it's a beautiful day. So pretty, the water's gorgeous. And looking forward to this trip. We're gonna go to one of the beach clubs. I think we've done this one before. We went on a cruise. We can kind of see the shoreline there. And Kevin walking, so super excited. Hope it's gonna be a great day. Okay, so we're at Paradise Beach Resort. We just got here by taxi. So we come in this way with the shop, ATM. Of course, everything from the pharmacia. They got the little paths, bathrooms, pool, very nice. It's like a little tropical jungle here. Bar, we got the all-inclusive. We can do the beach, drinks, food, everything's included for the whole day. And it's off the menu, so it's not like a buffet, which I do not like buffets as much, especially with the pandemic. So very nice bathrooms. We've done this one before. We did our cruises, so it's nice. There's a lot of people here already. There are 3 ships in port. There is Carnival, Disney, and Royal Caribbean. So very crowded. We tried to get it early, which is, what time is it now? It's about almost 10:30 on a Thursday, and a lot of people are in. So we usually
replays, right?
so we usually sit out on the beach area. I don't see myself coming to the pool. Might maybe later on. Plan on being here all day. So we took the ferry over. Oh my gosh, what an experience! We're definitely gonna be taking the other ferry back. That was not fun at all. So anyway, we're gonna go get settled and sit down and relax and enjoy ourselves. Hey guys, so we're at the tail end of our trip here in Cozumel, and it's a beautiful island. The trip over on Windjet ferry was rough. So this is a picture of me on the Windjet ferry coming over. So we were in the back of the ferry, and we smell fumes. The boat rocked and rocked and rocked. I didn't have my sea bands, and so I managed to not get seasick, but I thought I was gonna throw up, and people had their things over their faces. It was rough. So we got back early, and we booked our tickets on the other ferry, the Ultramar that we took when we went to in Cancun. So they do Cozumel too from Playa del Carmen. So yeah, I was gonna wait another hour or two if I had to. I couldn't go back and do that one again. So anyway, we're here just waiting for our ferry to leave, and we had a great time at the beach today. So we walked around a little bit here in the city. Very cute little island. I think you can come to probably a long weekend here. Very chill, very laid back, and everyone's super friendly, of course. So just gonna let you guys see a little bit of this little city square here that they have here. So they've got a little Fat Tuesday. There are 4 cruise ships in port today. There is Disney, and there's 2 Carnival cruises, and a Royal Caribbean. So we actually hung out with a couple from one of the cruise ships. A lot of fun. Young couple, just starting out. They are traveling, and we were telling them about how to be able to retire early and enjoy some of your time before you get too old to travel and enjoy it. You can't move around and do these things. So having a blast. So I'll let you guys know if it's a terrible trip on the ferry or not, but hopefully it will be much better. So we'll see. So we just boarded Ultramar ferry going back to Playa del Carmen, and we're in first class. I didn't care how much it cost. This was was a terrible experience on the other ferry boat, but leather seats, air conditioning, just no fumes. And we smelled fumes as we're coming onto this ferry from the other ferry that was starting up, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'll have to deal with that again. But just gonna give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like from here. See, like this. Kevin looks very happy now. Extra $7 is worth it.
Okay? You need to go potty?
So, looking forward to this one. So we actually had a wonderful experience on the island of Cozumel, and we actually met a couple from California that took Windjet, and they were inside, and they said they had a wonderful experience that way. So everyone's experience is different, but it was an awesome day that we had.